Hello guys, how's it doing? Welcome to TechZoo. Today we're going through the 476 question on Leetcode, number complements. Given positive integer, output is complement number. The complement strategy is to flip the bits of its binary representation. Okay, so we have to do it in binary manipulation. So if our input is 5, the output should be 2. The binary representation of 5 is 1 and 1. And we're flipping that, meaning whenever we see 1, we flip it to 0. Whenever we see 0, we change it to 1. And the output will be 0, 1, 0. And that's basically 2 in base 10 number. And if our input is 1, the output should be 0, obviously. So, if you're familiar with binary manipulation and flipping the bits, you should know that whenever you want to flip a bit, you always do the exclusive OR of 1 operation. Let me just write it here. Flipping bits, always do the exclusive OR of 1 operation. So this is the exclusive OR operator, and like I said, you can just remember whenever you want to flip bits, you always do the exclusive OR of 1. I can demonstrate really quickly why I do that. So if your original number is 0, so exclusive OR means that out of the two numbers, there can only be one element of 1 to output 1. So out of the two numbers, there can be only one element of 1, and you should output 1, right? So if our original number is 1, again, out of the two numbers, there can be only one element of 1 to output 1. But there are two elements of 1 here. So our result's gonna be 0. And if you look at our the numbers here, you can see that if your original number is 0, the output is 1. If your original number is 1, the output is 0. So basically, we are flipping the bits, right? So that's the a magic for of flipping bits. And you can always use the exclusive OR of 1 to do that. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, next time you can just remember it. You don't even have to think about it. Okay, now that we know that we will use the exclusive OR of 1, we can start to write our code, because we can just do it one bit by bit. For example, for 101, I can just flip this digit. So doing exclusive OR of this digit and shifting our bit 1 to the left, and we can do exclusive OR of 1 of this digit. And after it is done, we can shift it one more bit to this bit. So we can flip the bits one by one, right? So because we are going through all the digits, we can write a while loop to go through all the digits. And after all the digits is done, the while loop is done, and we output our result, right? So we can start to write it. Our code is actually exactly the same as solutions code. Yeah, so but I will try to explain it to you. So to do initialize to num, and our bit is 1 because we are doing the exclusive OR of 1. So we write a while loop, while to do